friends, today's recipe is a pumpkin halwa. You can see the ingredients whatever required: dry fruits, yellow pumpkin, water, sugar, ghee. So now we can see the preparation. Take a kadai, two kadai take it, because one kadai we required for milk. Milk we have to stir and make the thick, and one kadai for cooking the halwa. So this is a half liter of Nandini milk, which is I am keeping one more side of the gas. It should be come thicker consistency. Some people will add in halwa only milk, but I like it is a thicker way, so I am using this, and this way is very tasty halwa. You can try it. Take a kadai now. For the this is for dry fruits, we have to fry it. This is a almond, 7 to 8 almond, finely chopped, long chopped. This is a cashew, long chopped. So you can fry it until it should turn brown or dark pink color. This is a raisin, black raisin. You can use whatever you like dry fruits in this. So this is almost fried. That side we have to check. This is a half kg of pumpkin. You can use yellow pumpkin only. I have grated already. I am not able to show the yellow pumpkin. So this is a yellow pumpkin you have to use for halwa. That is only good. That is a sweet. So you can use it. This is a half kg of yellow pumpkin. So let cook it. So this side we have to continuously see the milk. You have to keep the high flame this, because this has to come in the thicker form. You can make as a kova or whatever, but it should come the thicker form. So this halwa we can keep on 2 more spoon ghee, and now we have to cook it well. You can see this halwa is very tasty. You can try it once. This is a very healthy and tasty quick recipe. You need minimum half an hour to prepare this, because cooking only it will take time, and less ingredients, whatever available in house we can use it. Continuously stir the milk, otherwise it should not be gutty once, it should not be destroyed. So this side also we have to continuously check. It should not burn. So you can continuously check it is cooked or not. Now it is almost one level it is cooked. You can check it, mix and check it. So you can check this. It is almost cooked. We have to cook with sugar also. We have to cook again after sugar with milk. So I have taken half cup of sugar. You can take less also, however you taste like, you can take based on that. So mix it. Now it will leave the water, juicy it will come. Now this time you have to keep high flame, because it will take time to cook, dry that juice. So allow to cook it. This side we have to stir the milk continuously. It has to come thicker form. Stir it. So this is also we have to check. Keep the high flame only, because it needs time to cook. Almost it is cooked. Now you can see the half liter milk I have taken. It is left only 1/4. So mix it well till if you want milk thicker form, you can cook and you can keep it like a kova form. So I have kept little bit less thicker, so you can keep whatever I am doing also you can follow. So mix it well. This is a cardamom, 4 to 5. You have to mix it well, and dry fruits whatever I have fried, that we have to mix now and allow to cook. Believe me guys, this is a very tasty and healthy halwa. You can use less sugar also, it will be tasty. So allow to cook 1 minute. So almost our halwa is ready. You can see this. This is a very tasty, mouth-watering and tempting halwa. You can try it once definitely, and comment me in the comment box how is the recipe. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.